Happy Veganuary from V-Rum. We're going to be doing our spiced rum sour using vegan FOMA. Super easy one to do. Few ingredients you need to buy. First, obviously buy some V-Spice rum. And we're going to do a large double measure 50 ml of spiced rum. We're going to put in some vegan FOMA. 5 drops. And then we're going to put some sugar syrup in. Just over half a shot, 15 ml in there. And then we're going to add in a shot of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then last but not least, I'm just going to put a little twist in there. You don't have to put this in, but this is banana and bergamot bitters. And this is just going to make a slightly drier profile so it's not too overly sweet, but give that boost of banana and obviously bergamot in there as well. For the shake, we're going to do a really hard shake for this one. So the idea is that imagine, if you want it to be frothy, imagine liquid passing through solid objects is going to create the air and create the froth. If you go like this, it's never going to work. And then we're going to get a really frothy mixture, as you can see here. We're going to pour this into a tin. And then we're going to do what's called a dry shake. Without any ice. Give it another shake quietly. And that's just going to add more air, texture into the foam. And then last but not least, pour into our glass. And we should have, as you can see, a really lovely, frothy cocktail. Now to garnish this one, we're just going to do a few nice pretty drops on the top. Some floral bitters, and then just finish it off with a swirl. And there you go, spiced rum sour.